Hey, it's Cody. So in the last n8n video, what I did was I showed you how to create a bot utilizing BotFather, along with creating a agent within n8n, and then creating your bot to that agent in n8n, and being able to utilize it as a messenger to send and receive messages that you're sending to your n8n agent. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to query a contact list and send an email to someone in that contact list based on a message that you send inside of the bot that you created in Telegram. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you got is you're on your workflow. We are going to need to add the tool, Gmail tool. You're going to want to sign in, create a new credential, sign in. I'm not going to sign in because I've already done that. So I'm just going to use the account that I'm already on. So once you sign in, you're going to have to do the operation, use a send. The to, you're going to say expression. You're going to utilize the from AI expression, and then you're going to write email address. And then we're going to say this is the email address we are sending to. All right. This is also going to be from AI, and it's going to be the subject. And then this message too is also going to be changed, and it's going to be from AI. And it's going to be email body. All right, so these are the expressions that you will need to utilize while creating the send email node. All right, so back, let's go to, let's rename it. Let's rename it to send email. Rename that, we're gonna save it. We're gonna add another tool, Google Sheets. Again, you're gonna have to connect. I'm gonna stay signed in. It's the same exact concept. You just log in. It's gonna be able to give you access to whatever you log into. So make sure the account that you log into is where the sheet is, because that's how you're gonna be able to pull the sheet. All right, so operations are gonna be get rows. Document, this is where you're gonna wanna choose your document. So what I did was created a dummy contact list, which you can see right here. So the headers that I have is name, phone, email. I filled those in. You can expand on this. You can put company, you can put the address, you can put, some other type of information about this too, and you can be able to utilize it when you're sending these emails off or for something else that you're trying to do. All right, so let's go back there. Let's choose the sheet. Contact list. All right, that's it. Actually, let me go and change the name on this sheet also. Change the name to contact list. We're gonna save. All right. All right, so now what we're gonna need to do is once those nodes are connected, we're gonna have to change the agent. So you're gonna hop into the agent right here, and what we did was we originally put this prompt in this section right here, text. This is not correct. So what we're going to need to do is, let's just copy this, delete that. You're gonna do expression, and you're gonna do JSON.text. All right. So you're gonna do JSON.text, and then you're gonna want to go to add option, and you're gonna go to system message, and then you're going to add that system message right below. So this is the system message that it's going to utilize when we issue a response, or when we ask it something. All right, so we're going to go ahead and save that now. All right, let's go and give this a test. Let's go over to our Telegram bot. Let's say we clear this. Clear it. Send email to Cody about a new business idea. And we're going to go to test workflow. So as you see, it's hitting the agent. Just hit the email back to the agent, and it said workflow successful. The email about the new business idea has been successfully sent to Cody. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. All right, so let's see if this is accurate. There's the email. New business idea. Hi, Cody. I wanted to share a new business idea with you that I believe has a great potential. Let me know when you're available to focus this further. Best, sincerely, Cody. As you can see, there's a little bit of a structure issue with the body of the email. So you're going to have to play around slightly, but it worked. So that's all I got for you. Hopefully that helps you out. We're going to do a couple more videos, but at least you know how to query a contact list, and you know how to utilize your bot to be able to send an email automatically based on the individual's name or the individual's email. So it's as simple as just saying, look, I want to email Cody, this is what I want to say, and your agent assistant is going to be able to take care of the rest. Hope that helps. Have a good day.